And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day in sunny Cheshire. Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire. Don't know what's going on with phone rotation, but hey ho, it's not bright, it's not sunny, it's raining, and it's absolutely Baltic. What's going on? Oh dear, yeah. So I'm down here at the hub early on a Tuesday morning. Just had my first number 9. Been having a few late starts just lately, and I've been able to start sleeping again, so that's always a bonus. Yeah, what's going on in the hub? We've got, let's have a look. What have we got going on? We've got a Jag here, old XE. It's come in with lack of performance, gearbox faults and all that. It's actually got an AdBlue fault that's affecting gearbox change, and that it's putting the transmission warning in because it's got an AdBlue fault. So we've got to get to the bottom of that. Yeah, old 65 plate Jag XE. Morning Donny, how are you mate? Morning Darren, morning Andy. We've got a 3008 been towed in on the end of coming on a low loader. No crank, no start. Not looking good for that at the moment. It's gone clicky clicky. So morning Murray, how are you mate? We've still got we've got the little Renault still on the thing there. Really must get stuck into that. I keep doing a few of the wires and that, but other stuff keeps turning up and sort of pushing it to the back of the queue. So the customer's in no rush for that. But yeah, we've been absolutely pulled out of the place these last few weeks. Loads of stuff going on. Obviously we did the Garage Hive blend, then we did Top Garage the weekend after that. We had a weekend off last weekend, and this next week I'll be at Mechanics at Sandown Park, 7th and the 8th. So yeah, we'll be on the DC lubricant stand with our awesome community partners, Diagnostic Connections and Top Done UK. We'll be on the DC lubricant stand with myself and the DPF doctor, Darren Darling. So yeah, if you're at Sandown, by all means, come and see us. Tickets are free, so you can still book them. There's still time to get tickets. Come and see us. We'll be there both days. It'll be absolutely awesome to see you more. Graham, morning Kevin. Yeah, I've had a bit of man flu the last couple of weeks, but we're all right. We've survived that. And yeah. So Mechanics next week, 7th and the 8th. Get yourselves down there, Sandown Park. Come and find us. That's it. Darren with the magic word. Bring coffee. We like coffee, cake, and bacon rolls. But it'd be lovely to see you and catch up with you all. Any of you that are down there in the south, really good. And Darren's doing some talks. I'll be there supporting him and supporting our community partners. I'll be wandering around. We've got loads and loads of the SimplyDiag Network partners there, so you stand a very good chance to see me on one of their stands as well. So yeah, come and see us. Lots of bacon, that's it. Bacon fixes everything. But look at this outside. It's cold, it's wet, it's miserable. What's going on? Must be winter. Definitely not a short stay today. So listen, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday in the last few days when I've not been live, happy birthday for the last few days. If it's your birthday this week, happy birthday. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.